Good morning. Right, one recipe I'm always asked for every week, near enough, is Yorkshire pudding mix. I don't know why, but a lot of you are frightened of Yorkshire pudding mix. You panic every Sunday. A lot of you buy them in. I've bought them in before, don't get me wrong, they're quite easy, but they are easy to do if you've got the ingredients in. Everyone has their own way of doing them. Everyone has their own little recipe from grandma or from mum or my great grandma, that kind of stuff. Everyone uses different stuff like veg oil, or they use lard, or they use olive oil, how many eggs, how much milk, how much water. Everyone has their own recipe, so there is no wrong recipe, there is no right recipe, it's just what recipe you've been taught and what you enjoy eating or doing. Right, I'm just going to show you my recipe. Follow it, it's up to you, you might have your own, but this is just for the novices, so if you can make them, shut up. But if you can't make them, it's good to watch. Okay, right, first of all, I use 6 eggs. This will do roughly 16 puddings, I think I'll trade. So I'll do 6 eggs. At work, I use 10 eggs. So that's at work. Yep, so there's my pint of milk. Again, at work, when I'm making big batches, I use half water, half milk. So I do a 50-50 mix. And I say I do 10 eggs per pint. But today, because I'm only doing the small mix, I just do all milk. I want to do now to get that a good mix up. Salt and pepper. Again, a lot of chefs weigh their flour out. Again, I don't, because I've been doing that long. You want a double cream consistency, so I put what I think is enough in. Use a blender. These are fantastic. This is just a cheap one. I think it's about a tenner, 9-10 quid from Tesco's or places like that. There's all those bubbles, all the air, that helps the Yorkshire puddings rise. Again, like I said, you can whisk it, makes a difference, so it's there, all those lovely bubbles. It's best making this the night before or early in the morning and then put it into the fridge. But what I call is, the consistency you want is double cream, so as you see it's like double cream. One way to test it, I put my finger in, and it holds to my finger. I do it a bit closer. If you hold to my finger, it means it's ready. Another way of doing it, if you've got a wooden spoon, dip your wooden spoon in, dip it up with the hold to the wooden spoon, it's ready, so that's like double cream. Just add your flour slowly, a bit at a time, until you get a consistency. If it's over thickens, just put a touch of water in or a touch of milk. That's all you do. Not too much, don't overdo it. It's better to have it thin and too thick. If it's too thick, it's all stodgy and doesn't cook properly, unless you like stodgy puddings, I'm telling you. But that is it, Yorkshire pudding mix. Done. Now that just needs to rest. Like I said, night before is absolutely perfect. Or early in the morning. Now yeah, mix done, and that'll go straight into the fridge. See, this is my Yorkshire pudding tin. It does hold 12, not 16, and it's only about 3 months old, so it does get some whack. It's a muffin tin. I think it's the best way of making Yorkshire pudding, to be honest. You get a little small shallow one, you get the great big deep ones, but I like this. And again, people use lard and different kind of stuff, so I'm using a bit of rapeseed oil. Just to show you, it doesn't really matter what oil you use. There's some veg oil. To show you at the end, it doesn't really make a difference, and that'll go in the oven on the highest possible temperature for about 15 minutes. I'll actually go in when the chicken's nearly ready, so you have it hot and smoking, but we'll go through that later on. Alright, mix it up the fridge, give it a good whisk up. It will thicken, you just put a tiny drop of water in, because it's literally just thickening up right from the fridge. And some air bubbles. All you do, fill them right. the top. Mine's a very, very hot oven, so I have to do 10 minutes on the hottest setting. I turn mine down to 180 for about 14 minutes after that, because it is a very, 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 very hot oven. That's it. So the oven's on hot. I'll do 10 minutes on hot, and I'll do about 14 minutes on about 180. Let's see what they look like when they come out. Nice decent size. My oven's a bit knackered, but yeah. Okay. Hi guys, if you enjoyed the videos and like what you're seeing, do me a favour. See that YouTube button down there, that subscribe button. Just give it a press. Because the more subscriptions I get, the more I can do, the more I can keep helping you. I enjoy doing these. So hit the like button, just give it a click, and hit that one there. And let's keep cooking and let's stay safe, okay? Rock on.